YouTube, what's the goddamn deal, man? It's one and only Pap G. We are back with another video. And today, man, I'm suffering. We have a special guest. What we doing, yo?
Eyebrow threading.
Explain what you're doing, because I don't want niggas be looking like I'm sweet out here. So go ahead, tell me what you're doing.
So I have a fine little piece of thread around my neck, and I'm going to remove his little eyebrow hairs with the thread.
So who are you, though?
I am TeeTheBrand.
TeeTheBrand.
Pretty lit lashes,
Pretty
lash
little
and brow
lashes.
artist.
Okay, I see the little... But if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. She did this eyebrow, and it kind of... Nah, I'll play. But nah, she gonna thread or clean up whatever she's saying. What's the term you say?
I'm gonna clean up your eyebrows, but we're gonna thread them. We're gonna thread the hair off.
So I'm not gonna look, you know...
I don't know exactly.
But you know, shot. Y'all think I'm gonna be sweet out here. Get y'all bottles, man. Get y'all bottles. Hey man, it's a new bottle. It's Martell. It's still cognac though, so it's all good. So she about to clean up my eyebrows. I ain't gonna lie, the shit hurt, fool. I see why ladies don't get their eyebrows threaded, but practice made perfect. So let's get it, shot. It's cool.
Yeah. Well.
You know the things you do for love. What's funny?
All right, you ready?
Bro, you took like 12 hairs off just now.
That's great. Come on.
That hurt, bro. Alright, come on. Oh, that shit is painful as hell.
You're doing such a great job.
I just spit them hoes, put them out too.
Oh, that was a good one.
Man, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man.
Oh, I can see him. Okay, one more.
Are you done? Are you done?
Oh my God, I did it. Wait, let me do the top. Let me do the top.
What you doing?
Come on, I was doing the bottom.
My eye watering up like a bee.
You okay? I'm trying to adjust the thread. Okay, you ready?
Okay, that one bad. It should still hurt though.
Are you crying, Phil?
Nah, you just a little stuff in your
Oh, okay. Allergies and shit.
Nah, it's just hot. My eyeballs get to sweating and stuff.
Oh, okay. Okay, one more and I'm gonna let you go. I think. Oh, yes, I got it. Ah! I mean, oh, you can see where you got a little.
Is that blood?
Boy, shut up.
That shit hurt like a bitch. Ladies, I see why y'all don't like getting your eyebrows. That shit hurt like a mug. And that wasn't even like a full like thread now.
Wow.
I get most of them done.
Huh?
I get like more. It's like more.
We get like the top cleaned up and the bottom cleaned up, and then the middle part right. Oh, I should have tried that.
Oh hell no.
The middle part.
I ain't got no unibrow.
It's not about the unibrow.
Yeah, it is. I ain't got no hairs right there.
Oh my god.
But where can they find you at?
On Instagram, my name is Pretty Lit Lashes by TeeTheBrand, and it's T with 2 E's.
So if you're in Dallas and you need some
eyelash extensions, eyebrow tinting, eyebrow threading, not yet, cause yeah, but eyebrow threading.
That's all for the ladies. I will link everything in the description. Tell her Pap sent you. I don't know what they're gonna get you, but just, you know, what they gonna get them? They gonna give them a little discount or what?
Sure, we'll give them a good 10% off. That's not good enough?
No, it is. I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? I'm for them. Now, fellas, she do got something for us, like a little lash barrel. She ain't did mine yet. So, I'm gonna get my lash barrel, so I won't be walking around with dirty eyelashes. So, yeah, we gonna do that next video. But anyway, that's it. That's it.
That's it.
So, that's enough pain she done put me through. Make sure you like this video. I will put everything in the description. Make sure you book. Tell her I sent you and give you some eyelashes. Get you little long little caterpillars in your eyelashes. And we out, bruh.